25 years of dirt and grime are hiding under this old waterbed frame, and today I am going to get to it. I'm going to take this fucking thing apart, and I am going to clean under it. Because you know what? It's going to make me feel a lot better. It's going to make this room smell better. Look at all of this nasty shit that has been hiding down here for the past 25 years. Literally, nasty shit. Those are mouse poops. I have since killed all of the mice in my house. There are no more mice in my house. I can attest to that because the traps aren't even touched anymore, and I don't hear any little pitter-patter of rodents. Look at all of this dust just hanging out on this. This was supporting the the headboard. There's a Three Musketeers hiding down here, probably from the early 2000s. Just a bunch of crap that I am super happy that I got this thing up so that I can finally start this cleaning project. Here we go. You can't finish if you don't start. Pick a place, my friends, dive right in and start. This took about 7 rounds of vacuuming, which I must say, if I should probably make a, a video where you test out the product, because this Shark vacuum is fucking amazing. Highly recommend Shark vacuums if you guys have never tried one, if you're on the market for a new vacuum. I'm pretty sure they got more expensive once they got a better reputation, but whatever the fuck they cost, they are totally worth it. This thing is super easy to use, lightweight, does its fucking job. Fantastic. Super impressed with the Shark vacuums. But I am just so happy to get all of this shit up, because look at this, guys. It already looks better. I know that the carpet is stained. It's old as shit. Like I said, this was done, I think the carpeting was done 26, 27 years ago, something like that. But look at it. I mean, a lot better, right? That's what I'm talking about. This room already smells better. I cannot wait to start doing some more work in here.